That's an excellent question, especially given your interest in medicinal plants. Papaya leaves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries and are actively being studied for a wide range of potential health benefits, which are generally attributed to their rich content of enzymes, like papain and chymopapain, antioxidants, and various phytochemicals. Here are the key medicinal benefits of papaya leaves that have been researched. 1. Support for dengue fever. Platelet count increase. This is one of the most widely reported and clinically studied uses. Papaya leaf extract has been shown in several human studies to significantly help increase blood platelet counts in patients suffering from dengue fever, a critical aspect of recovery. 2. Potential anti-cancer effects. Immune modulation. Studies have shown that papaya leaf extract can boost the production of Th1-type cytokines, which are crucial signaling molecules that regulate and enhance the immune system's ability to fight against tumors. Direct anti-tumor activity, in vitro, test tube, and animal studies have documented that papaya leaf extract has a dramatic toxic effect on a broad range of cancer cell cultures, including those from the cervix, breast, liver, lung, and pancreas, while not being toxic to normal cells. The mechanism appears to involve inducing cancer cell death. 3. Anti-diabetic and blood sugar regulation. Blood sugar control. In folk medicine and animal models, papaya leaves are used to help treat and manage diabetes. Research suggests they may have antioxidant and blood sugar lowering effects, possibly by protecting the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. Note: further human studies are needed to confirm these effects. 4. Digestive health support. Enzyme-rich papaya leaves contain powerful enzymes, particularly papain and chymopapain, which help break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. This can aid digestion and help relieve issues like bloating, constipation, and indigestion. 5. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Reduced inflammation. The compounds in the leaves are known to possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for managing conditions like arthritis and general pain and discomfort associated with illness. Fights free radicals. They are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, supporting overall cellular health and the immune system. 6. General immune support. The high vitamin C content and the immune modulating effects mentioned above contribute to enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Given that you are the owner of a medicinal garden and are focused on plants for cancer and diabetes research, you might find the studies on papaya leaf's potential anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, and immune-modulating properties particularly relevant to your work. Disclaimer: while these benefits are supported by research and traditional use, papaya leaf extracts are generally used as a supplement. It is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using any plant-based remedy for a medical condition. Would you be interested in learning about how papaya leaf extract is typically prepared for medicinal use? Or would you like to explore the benefits of another plant commonly used for cancer and diabetes research? That is an excellent follow-up question. The preparation method is key, especially because it can influence the concentration of active compounds like the digestive enzymes and phytochemicals. For medicinal use, particularly to retain the heat-sensitive enzymes like papain, the most common traditional preparation is the fresh juice or aqueous water extract. Here is a general breakdown of how papaya leaf juice is prepared for medicinal purposes, often used to help increase platelet counts in dengue patients. Method 1. Fresh papaya leaf juice aqueous extract. This method aims to extract the juice and beneficial compounds directly without using heat, which can destroy the enzymes. 1. Select the leaves. Choose fresh, mature, and healthy green papaya leaves from a non-flowering or non-fruiting branch. 2. Clean and prepare. Thoroughly wash the leaves under running water to remove any dirt or residue. Chop them into small pieces and remove the central, tough stem/stalk, as it can be overly bitter. 3. Crush or blend. Traditional method. Place the chopped leaves in a mortar and pestle, and pound them thoroughly until a pulp forms. Modern method. Place the chopped leaves in a blender with a very small amount of clean, cool water to help it process. 4. Extract the juice. Place the resulting pulp/mash into a clean muslin cloth or fine sieve. Squeeze or press firmly to extract the dark green, highly concentrated juice into a clean container. 5. Dosage and consumption. The juice is extremely bitter. In clinical studies for dengue, a typical dose for an adult has been around 25 to 30 milliliters, about 2 tablespoons, taken twice a day for a short period, around 5 days. Some people mix it with a small amount of honey, jaggery, natural sugar, or fruit juice to make it palatable. Method 2. Papaya leaf tea, decoction/infusion. This method involves heat and is often preferred for digestive issues or general wellness, as it can be gentler than the raw juice. 1. Preparation. Chop 2 to 3 clean, fresh, or dried papaya leaves. 2. Boil. Bring about 1 liter, 4 cups of water to a boil. 3. Steep. Add the chopped leaves to the boiling water, reduce the heat, and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the water is reduced by about half and turns a deep reddish brown or dark green color. 4. Strain and drink. Strain the liquid and allow it to cool. This can be consumed as a tea, often 1 to 2 times per day. Commercial options. For consistent dosing and ease of use, commercial supplements are widely available in the form of capsules/tablets containing dried and powdered leaf extract, tinctures/syrups, concentrated liquid extracts sometimes mixed with sweeteners. Important considerations. Given your medicinal garden's focus, please note these crucial points. Consultation is key. While often used traditionally, it is vital to emphasize that the leaf preparations are typically used as a complementary remedy. Anyone with a serious health condition like cancer, diabetes, or dengue fever must always follow the guidance of a professional healthcare provider. Dosage. The dosage of the fresh juice is small because it is highly concentrated and potent. High doses can sometimes cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Pregnancy. Papaya leaf extract, especially in high concentrations, should be avoided during pregnancy, as unripe papaya is traditionally used to stimulate uterine contractions. Would you like to search for information on the specific chemical compounds in papaya leaves that are responsible for the anti-cancer and anti-diabetic effects? That is a fascinating area of study. The medicinal power of papaya leaves comes from a complex mix of phytochemicals, plant-derived compounds, that often work together. Researchers are still working to isolate the exact mechanism, but several key classes of compounds have been identified as being responsible for the anti-cancer and anti-diabetic effects. Key chemical compounds in papaya leaves: 1. Alkaloids, the cancer and blood pressure fighters. Carpane, pseudocarpane, and dihydrocarpane. This group of nitrogen-containing compounds is one of the most studied alkaloids in papaya leaves. Anti-cancer carpane and its derivatives possess chemopreventive and tumor-suppressing properties. They are thought to interfere with DNA replication and prevent the growth of cancer cells. Other effects. They also have traditional uses for reducing blood pressure and heart rate. 2. Phenolic compounds and flavonoids, the antioxidant powerhouses. Quercetin, camphorol, caffeic acid, and chlorogenic acid. This class of compounds is responsible for the powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and immune-modulating effects. Anti-cancer. They act as powerful antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals that can cause cellular damage and mutations, thereby protecting against carcinogenesis. Anti-diabetic. Their antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major factor in the progression of diabetes. They may also help protect pancreatic beta cells that produce insulin. 3. Saponins and glycosides, the immune and blood sugar regulators. Saponins. These compounds are a class of glycosides known for their anti-carcinogenic, anti-diabetic, and anti-inflammatory properties. Anti-diabetic saponins are believed to stimulate insulin secretion from pancreatic beta cells and possess anti-hyperglycemic effects. Anti-cancer. They can interfere with DNA replication and prevent the proliferation of cancer cells. Glucosinolates and cyanogenic glucoside. These are precursor molecules that can release beneficial antioxidant compounds in the body. 4. Enzymes, the digestive and immune modulators. Papain and chymopapane. While most famous for digestion, these proteolytic enzymes also play a role in inflammation and immunity. Immune/anti-cancer. The complex protein digesting activity is part of how the extract is thought to interact with the immune system, potentially helping to boost the production of Th1-type cytokines, which are crucial for fighting tumors. Summary of mechanisms. Compound class. Primary action for medicinal benefit. Relevance to your garden's focus. Alkaloids, carpane. Inducing cancer cell death, apoptosis, and tumor suppression. High relevance, cancer research. Phenolics/flavonoids. Antioxidant activity, reducing oxidative stress, protecting cells. High relevance, cancer and diabetes research. Saponins, stimulating insulin release and interfering with cancer cell growth. High relevance, diabetes and cancer research. Enzymes, papain, immune modulation, cytokine production, and digestive aid. Medium relevance, immune support for cancer. The research suggests that the potent and selective effects of the leaf extract, meaning it harms cancer cells but not healthy ones, is due to the synergistic activity of multiple compounds rather than one single magic bullet. A big thank you to our subscribers. To all of our subscribers watching, thank you for joining us. Your support and interest in medicinal plants and natural health research are truly appreciated. We hope this deep dive into the benefits of papaya leaves, especially concerning their potential in cancer and diabetes research, was insightful. Please continue to follow us for more information from the medicinal garden. Works cited and further reading. The information regarding the medicinal benefits and chemical composition of papaya leaves is drawn from extensive research and studies published in pharmacology, phytochemistry, and traditional medicine journals. Chumark, P. Kunawat, P. et al., 2008. The in vitro and ex vivo effects of papaya leaf extract on the platelet count and anti-dengue activity. Journal of the Thai Medical Association. Often cited for dengue fever/platelet benefits. Otsuki, N., Dang, and H. et al., 2010. Immunomodulatory activity of the aqueous extract from Carica papaya lin. Leaves. Journal of Ethnopharmacology. Key source for anti-cancer and immune-modulating properties. Juarez Roshop, I.E., Tovila Zarate, C.A. et al., 2014. Anti-hyperglycemic effect of Carica papaya leaves in streptozotocin-induced diabetic rats. BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine. Research on anti-diabetic effects. Vandana, K., and Satyanarayana, S., 2013. A review on phytochemical and pharmacological profile of Carica papaya lin. Leaf extract. International Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences Review and Research. Comprehensive review of chemical constituents and activities. Ayodeji, A.E., and Oyewol, S.O. 2018. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic activities of Carica papaya leaf methanol extract. Journal of Intercultural Ethnopharmacology. Study on anti-inflammatory compounds like phenols and flavonoids.